Hey YouTube, it's your girl Shady Rita-B. I'm gonna be taking down some braids today. If you guys have any questions or concerns, always, comment below. We're just gonna go on a length check journey and see where we're at this point in time. I haven't been taking care of my hair to the best, I just haven't been caring. We're gonna go ahead and take down these braids I've had in for about 4 weeks in the color 99J that I installed myself. They're starting to get a little bit frizzy, as you can see. They don't really look terrible right now. I probably could leave them in for another week and just go for that, that look, But I'm gonna go ahead and take them down and okay, so my hair ended up air drying. I fell asleep, and so this is my hair. So I'm gonna just go ahead and iron out my hair using my Red Pro silicone flat iron, and we're just gonna go ahead and start from there. I'm just gonna comb it out and go from there. I'm gonna separate it, and I'm gonna iron out the back, and then I'm gonna iron out the front. Okay, so I did put a plastic bag on my head. I'm going to go sit under the dryer for about 10 minutes. I wrap my hair, and I'm going to sit under the dryer for about 10 minutes before I leave, and we'll go from there. Take this off my head. And like I said, I do need a trim, so my hair is just kind of like one bland length, but whatever. Okay, hopefully you guys can see that okay or whatever, and it feels a lot softer. I'm probably gonna have to do a deep conditioner just because my hair feels a little dry, and I am getting like some shedding or whatever, so I will probably do a deep conditioner in a week or so. I'm just gonna do my edges really quick. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys my hair. This is it. So I went from braids to straight. Here's the back of my hair. Like I said, it needs to be trimmed, I'm sure, but it will get trimmed later. So that's all. Thanks so much for watching. Comment, subscribe, like the video. If you have any questions, post them below. See you next time.